Use this oil before bed. Keeps men energized at any age. Educational presentation on natural oils and male wellness, why energy fades, and how nature restores it. Have you ever wondered why some men feel tired, stressed, and less focused even after a full night's sleep? Modern life drains our energy mentally, emotionally, and physically. But in traditional wellness systems from Ayurveda to Chinese medicine, one secret has always been the same. Oil therapy. Natural oils, used properly before bed, can revive circulation, calm the nervous system, nourish the skin, and support hormonal balance, all of which help restore long-lasting vitality. This isn't about instant results or artificial pills, it's about natural recovery, rebuilding the body's energy from the inside out. The science of male energy. Men's energy depends on three key biological systems: hormonal health, primarily testosterone balance; blood circulation, oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells; nervous system recovery, the body's ability to relax and rebuild during sleep. When stress, pollution, or poor sleep interfere with these systems, men feel fatigued, anxious, and less motivated. But nature offers support through oils that nourish nerves, boost blood flow, and reduce oxidative stress. Mustard oil, the ancient energy restorer. Mustard oil has been used for centuries across South Asia as a natural massage oil and circulatory booster. It contains compounds like allylisothiocyanate and omega-3 fatty acids, which stimulate skin receptors, warming up muscles and improving local circulation. Benefits: enhances blood flow and muscular tone, supports joint flexibility and cellular oxygenation, promotes relaxation when massaged gently on legs, back, or shoulders before sleep, acts as a natural detoxifier, aiding lymphatic movement. How to use before bed. Warm 2-3 teaspoons of mustard oil. Gently massage into your feet, calves, and hands. It relaxes your body, eases tension, and encourages deeper, more restorative sleep. The key to next-day vitality. Sesame oil, the oil of longevity. In Ayurveda, sesame oil is called the king of oils. Rich in zinc, vitamin E, and antioxidants, it supports skin and muscle strength. It's ideal for men who work long hours, experience muscle fatigue, or mental burnout. Benefits: strengthens muscles and connective tissues, deeply nourishes nerves, balances vata, air element, reducing anxiety and restlessness, supports natural hormone stability when used consistently. Night routine: massage sesame oil along the spine, shoulders, and soles of the feet. Follow with deep breathing for 5 minutes. This simple ritual improves sleep quality and hormonal rhythm. Coconut oil cooling and hormone balancing. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that convert quickly into energy. It also supports thyroid function and balances body temperature, preventing excessive heat buildup. Benefits: enhances cellular energy through quick fat metabolism, improves skin tone and elasticity, calms nerves and prevents nighttime restlessness. Routine tip: apply coconut oil to the temples, neck, and chest before sleep. It cools the mind and soothes the heart rate. Olive oil, the heart's protector. Cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil isn't just for cooking, it's one of the most restorative bedtime oils. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil supports the cardiovascular system and hormone regulation. Benefits: boosts testosterone support naturally, improves blood vessel flexibility and oxygen delivery, supports skin repair overnight. Night tip: massage 1 teaspoon on the abdomen in circular motions. It aids digestion and gently activates circulation during rest. Herbal-infused oils for modern men. Some traditional blends use herbal-infused oils to target specific male concerns. Herb benefit: oil base ashwagandha adaptogenic, reduces cortisol. Sesame or almond oil, Gokshura tribulus, supports energy and endurance. Coconut or mustard oil, Shatavari, hormone balancing and cooling. Olive oil, Brahmi, improves mental focus and calmness. Sesame oil, clove or nutmeg extract, mild, stimulates warmth and vitality. Mustard oil. These oils are not pharmaceuticals. They enhance circulation, calmness, and confidence by promoting balance within the body's systems. Proper method of application. Safe routine. Warm the oil slightly, lukewarm, not hot. Apply in gentle circular motions, avoiding excess pressure. Focus on legs, arms, chest, shoulders, and lower back. Use 5 to 10 minutes for self-massage before sleep. Wipe off any excess oil with a soft towel. This routine activates parasympathetic relaxation, improves blood oxygen flow, encourages deeper, longer sleep, supports testosterone rhythm overnight. Common mistakes men make: using synthetic or mineral oils instead of natural ones, expecting instant results instead of consistent care, over-massaging, which can cause strain, Ignoring hydration oils work better when you drink enough water. Skipping sleep, natural repair happens only during deep rest. Why pills fail and natural oils work. Pills often create short-term energy by stimulating hormones artificially, but this can lead to fatigue, mood swings, and dependency. Oils, on the other hand, work by improving microcirculation, nourishing nerve endings, supporting cellular regeneration. They don't force the body to react, they help it remember how to function naturally. A 7-day routine for noticeable results. Day oil type, focus area benefit, Monday mustard oil, legs plus feet warmth. Circulation Tuesday, sesame oil back, shoulders, nerve strength. Wednesday, coconut oil, chest, neck, cooling balance. Thursday, olive oil, abdomen, heart health. Friday, herbal blend, whole body hormonal support. Saturday, mustard oil, feet relaxation. Sunday, light oil blend, meditation, mind calmness, long-term benefits. Enhanced morning energy and focus. Stronger metabolism and hormonal rhythm. Reduced fatigue and mood imbalance. Better circulation and skin tone. Deeper sleep and emotional stability. Holistic practices to combine yoga or stretching for 10 minutes before massage. The ancient secret of energy that modern men forgot. Educational script, wellness and vitality restoration. Hook, it's not age, it's energy leakage. Most men think they lose energy because they're getting older, but in truth, they're losing it because of how they live. Late-night screens, fast food, stress, and poor sleep quietly drain the body's internal power bank. You don't need another pill to fix this. You need a restoration plan that rebuilds the body's rhythm. And it begins with rituals, breathing, and nature's oils. The energy system in men, how it really works. The body's vitality depends on energy flow through 3 pathways. Respiratory energy, how efficiently oxygen feeds the cells. Circulatory energy, how the heart and blood deliver nutrients. Neural energy, how the brain and nerves transmit calm, focused strength. When any one of these systems slows down, energy feels low no matter your age. Natural oils work at the interface of these systems through skin absorption and relaxation. Why bedtime is the best time for energy recovery. Your body's repair cycle begins around 10 p.m. At this time, blood flow increases to muscles. The brain detoxifies through the glymphatic system. Hormones responsible for growth and repair are released. When you massage or apply natural oils before bed, you're helping these natural processes, easing stress from the day and preparing your cells to rebuild stronger while you sleep. Best natural oils, deep dive science. Mustard oil, strength and warmth. Contains allyl isothiocyanate, a natural muscle activator. Stimulates circulation and improves oxygen uptake. Strengthens skin and muscle receptors for better endurance. Combine with a pinch of turmeric powder for added antioxidant effect. Sesame oil, nerve nourishment. High in sesamin and sesamolin, natural antioxidants that protect nerve cells, provides vitamin B complex which supports energy metabolism. Combine with a few drops of ashwagandha extract for deep relaxation and nervous system recovery. Coconut oil, cooling and endurance. MCTs provide quick-release energy without raising blood sugar. Improves thyroid function and helps hormonal stability. Combine with 1 teaspoon of honey or a few strands of saffron for calming effect. Almond oil, rejuvenation. Rich in vitamin E, which supports testosterone balance. Strengthens connective tissue and improves elasticity of muscles. Combine with a drop of rose or lavender essential oil to improve sleep quality. How to layer oils for maximum benefit. You can combine oils strategically. Base layer, coconut or sesame oil for skin nourishment. Active layer, mustard or almond oil for energy stimulation. Finishing layer, light olive or lavender oil for relaxation and aroma. This triple layer method balances warmth plus energy, calmness, exactly what the male body needs for deep restoration. The mind-body connection. Energy is mental too. Stress is the biggest enemy of natural energy. When you stay in fight or flight mode too long, the brain signals the body to conserve power, meaning your energy drops, even if you eat or sleep well. Breathing ritual. Before oil application, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat 10 rounds. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing oils to work more effectively through better circulation and relaxation. Nutrition that multiplies oil therapy results. Food benefit. Best time, walnuts and almonds. Healthy fats, hormone support. Morning dates and figs. Natural energy, rich in zinc. Evening spinach and kale, iron plus nitric oxide production. Lunch, pumpkin seeds boost testosterone naturally. Snack, honey plus warm milk, night recovery. Before bed, avoid heavy fried foods or excess sugar at night. They block the natural energy reset process. Hydration and sleep quality. The forgotten factor, even a 2% drop in hydration can lower testosterone and brain energy. Drink glasses of water early morning, glass before bed if comfortable. And make sure to sleep 7 to 8 hours in a dark, cool room. Sleep is where oil therapy transforms from external care into internal repair. The 7-minute night routine, step-by-step plan for busy men. Wash hands and face. Warm oil, don't overheat. Massage your feet, shoulders, and neck in circular motions. Take 5 slow, deep breaths. Wipe off excess oil gently. Write 1 positive thought or gratitude note. Sleep. Consistency builds energy, not intensity. Common mistakes to avoid: using oil with artificial fragrance, blocks pores. Skipping massage and only applying oil, less effective. Applying too much, a thin layer is enough, expecting instant results. Body healing takes time. Long-term energy transformation timeline. Week, what you'll notice: better sleep, less fatigue, sharper focus, calm mind, improved strength and daily stamina. Long-lasting natural energy, emotional balance. The mental secret: energy is awareness. A calm, focused mind directs energy efficiently. When you combine natural oil care with mindfulness, you build both physical and emotional resilience. That's why many traditional systems, from yoga to Japanese hara breathing, pair oil therapy with daily reflection or gratitude. This keeps you mentally strong, emotionally balanced, and physically active, the true trio of male wellness. Final words: the return of natural strength. Forget shortcuts. Forget synthetic pills that promise too much, too fast. Real energy is not something you take, it's something you build through balance, consistency, and care. Our body already knows how to heal. All it needs is the right environment. So tonight, take a few minutes for yourself. Warm the oil, slow your breath, let nature work quietly, and wake up renewed, confident, and fully alive. The night the body remembers. There's a moment every night when silence takes over. The city slows down, the noise fades. And if you listen closely, you can almost hear your heartbeat reminding you that your body still remembers what strength used to feel like. This is the time when healing begins. Note in the gym, note in the clinic, but in stillness. When you close your eyes and let the warmth of nature seep into your skin, you're not just applying oil, you're writing the story of exhaustion that your body has carried for years. The forgotten promise of nature: 4 centuries, men didn't depend on pills. They trusted roots, herbs, and oils, gifts of the earth that didn't just health body, but reconnected the mind and soul to strength. Because energy is not stored in muscles or bones, it's stored in balance. Balance between effort and rest, between discipline and peace, between what you give to the world and what you give back to yourself. The power of habit. If you truly want to feel younger, stronger, and sharper, it won't come from something you swallow once. It comes from what you repeat every night before bed. That small ritual, warming the oil, breathing deeply, feeling the warmth flow through your body, is how you tell your mind, I'm in control again. Every stroke of that oil, every breath you take before sleep, recharges something far deeper than stamina. It revives purpose. From weakness to wisdom, age doesn't steal energy, neglect does. The older you grow, the more your body asks for respect, not shortcuts. And when you start treating it with that respect, with clean food, deep rest, natural oils, and calm breathing, your body responds with gratitude. You'll wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and realize the tiredness in your eyes is gone. The heaviness in your body is replaced with quiet confidence. And that spark, the one you thought had taken, is back. The message for every man: if you remember only one thing tonight, let be this. Energy is not about being you, it's about being aligned. When your body, breath, and thoughts move in harmony, you stop feeling like you're running out of time and start feeling like you're finally in rhythm with it. So forget the pills. Forget the promises printed on glossy boxes. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.